One of the key accessories for the OnePlus smartphone ecosystem have been the very innovative, customizable shells that they've been coming out with. Starting with the Sandstone and the Bamboo that came out with the first generation of OnePlus devices, they've really expanded the lineup quite a bit. So for the OnePlus 5, OnePlus has sent us over 4 different cases that we're going to be taking over. This includes the Sandstone, the Carbon Fiber, the Rosewood and the Ebony. Let's take a closer look at these. So as we mentioned, the cases for the OnePlus 5 come in a variety of different styles and materials. 2 of these are wood-based while the other 2 are synthetic fibers. The first one being Sandstone. Now this is where it all started, and once again with the Sandstone case for the OnePlus 5, you have a very nice and grippy material. It's sort of rough and you can probably file your nails on it if you really wanted to, but yeah, so that's the Sandstone finish, and it feels really good in the hand. This is something that's not going to slip out of your hand at all. And on the other side we've got the Carbon Fiber shell. Now the Kevlar or carbon fiber shell is very similar to the Sandstone in the sense that it is very grippy, but this has a more rubberized texture to it, and once again this is something that's going to hold up very well in your hand. Now coming to the wood cases, we've got with us the Rosewood case and we also have the Ebony case here with us. And unlike the Sandstone and the carbon fiber finish case, both of these are very flimsy. In fact, they're very easy to bend and we're kind of scared that we might just end up breaking them while taking them off the phone. The finish on these is not that bad, but it almost seems printed on instead of being actually made of wood, though the company does say that these are made of wood. Our pick for the case for the OnePlus 5 would have to be between the Sandstone case and the Kevlar finish case, and let's just take a look how quick and easy it is to snap it on. So you just take the case and you bring it back towards the back of the phone, and with a single snap it covers the entire back panel. Now the cool thing is that it also for the most part covers up the camera bulge as well. The camera module on the OnePlus 5 is lifted up from the back of the phone, and there's a chance of it getting scratched or getting shattered if you drop it down too hard. But with one of these style bags, one of these shells, it completely sits flush with the back panel and you no longer have that fear. Also, it covers up the sides of the phone and the corners as well, so that if you drop your phone, there's no chance of the screen shattering. This is not going to protect your phone from a front drop, but for that you'll probably have to get a more rugged case. So that was a quick hands-on with the Sandstone, the carbon fiber finish, the Rosewood and the Ebony cases for the OnePlus 5. If you have any questions about these or about the OnePlus 5, do let us know in the comment section. This was Dhruv Bhutani from PhoneArena.com. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel and thanks for watching.